Hi guys, welcome to Filmoments tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to add Bitmoji stickers in iOS messages. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button to be updated with our latest upload. First, download the Bitmoji app on App Store if you don't have yet. I already installed Bitmoji in my iPhone, so let's just tap open. Then sign with your Bitmoji account. Inside the app, tap on Keyboard. Tap Turn on Keyboard. Then open Settings. Click Keyboards, then turn on Bitmoji. You can also allow full access for Bitmoji if you like. Let's go back to our home screen and open Messages. Let's try to type any text, then tap on the globe button on the lower left. Now Bitmoji stickers will show up. Tap on the sticker that you want to send. It will copy the Bitmoji sticker, then all you have to do is to paste it in your message. Just like that. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.